The year 2025 holds both opportunities and challenges for those involved in the U.S. housing market. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or renter, understanding the projected trends is crucial. We anticipate slower growth in home prices compared to recent years. Existing home sales are expected to remain low, reflecting a continued tight market with limited inventory. This means competition will likely remain fierce, especially for those seeking affordable options. However, don't be discouraged. This essay will break down these trends and provide valuable insights to help you make informed decisions in the 2025 housing landscape. While home prices are still expected to increase in 2025, the pace of growth is projected to be slower than what we've seen in the past few years. This is a significant shift from the rapid price increases that characterize the housing market in recent times. The market is showing signs of cooling off, which could be a relief for potential buyers who have been struggling with affordability issues. However, it also means that sellers might need to adjust their expectations and strategies accordingly. Fannie Mae, a leading housing finance agency, forecasts a growth rate of around 2.5%. This is a stark contrast to the double-digit growth rates we saw in previous years. The agency's report highlights that while the demand for housing remains strong, the supply is gradually catching up, which is helping to moderate price increases. This could lead to a more stable and predictable market environment. This moderation is attributed to several factors, including rising mortgage rates and ongoing affordability challenges. Higher mortgage rates make borrowing more expensive, which can dampen demand. Additionally, the affordability crisis has been a significant barrier for many potential buyers, particularly first-time homebuyers. These factors combined are expected to slow down the pace of price growth. The Mortgage Bankers Association echoes this sentiment, predicting a similar growth rate. Their analysis suggests that the market is moving towards a more balanced state, where supply and demand are more in sync. This could lead to fewer bidding wars and more opportunities for buyers to find homes within their budget. This shift suggests a more balanced market compared to the rapid price escalations witnessed previously. A balanced market is beneficial for both buyers and sellers. Buyers can expect more options and less competition, while sellers can still achieve reasonable prices without the frenzy of overbidding. This equilibrium could lead to a healthier and more sustainable housing market in the long run. Both buyers and sellers should take note of this trend as they plan their real estate strategies. Buyers might find it easier to enter the market, while sellers should be prepared for a more measured approach to pricing. Understanding these dynamics will be crucial for making informed decisions in the evolving housing landscape of 2025. One of the defining characteristics of the 2025 housing market is expected to be the persistent shortage of homes for sale. This shortage is not a new phenomenon, but it has been exacerbated by a variety of factors over the past few years. The pandemic, for instance, caused a significant slowdown in construction activities, leading to fewer new homes being built. Additionally, supply chain disruptions have made it more difficult and expensive for builders to obtain the materials they need, further slowing down the pace of new construction. Low inventory levels, coupled with steady demand, will continue to put pressure on prices. Buyers are finding themselves in bidding wars, often having to offer well above the asking price to secure a home. This competitive environment is particularly challenging for first-time homebuyers, who may not have the financial flexibility to compete with more seasoned buyers or investors. The high demand is driven by a combination of factors, including low unemployment rates, rising wages, and a growing population of millennials entering their prime home buying years. This scarcity is a result of several factors, including underbuilding in past years and homeowners choosing to stay put due to low mortgage rates they locked in previously. Many homeowners are reluctant to sell their current homes and buy new ones because they would lose their favorable mortgage rates. This phenomenon, known as the lock-in effect, has significantly reduced the number of homes available for sale. Additionally, zoning laws and regulations in many areas have made it difficult to increase housing density, further limiting the supply of new homes. While mortgage rates are expected to decrease slightly from their current levels, they are likely to remain relatively high compared to the historical lows of recent years. This means that even though borrowing costs may become somewhat more manageable, they will still be a significant factor for potential buyers to consider. Higher mortgage rates can reduce the purchasing power of buyers, making it more difficult for them to afford homes at current price levels. As a result, some buyers may be priced out of the market altogether, while others may have to settle for less expensive homes or different neighborhoods. This means borrowing costs will still be a significant consideration for buyers. Prospective homeowners will need to carefully evaluate their financial situations and consider the long-term implications of taking on higher mortgage payments. Financial advisors recommend that buyers get pre-approved for a mortgage before starting their home search, so they have a clear understanding of what they can afford. Additionally, buyers should be prepared for the possibility of rising interest rates in the future, which could increase their monthly payments if they opt for adjustable-rate mortgages. On the rental front, we anticipate continued rent increases for both single-family and multifamily homes. The high cost of homeownership is pushing more people into the rental market, increasing demand for rental properties. This trend is expected to continue as long as home prices and mortgage rates remain elevated. Renters should be prepared for higher monthly payments and may need to consider more affordable housing options or different locations. Landlords, on the other hand, may benefit from the increased demand, but they should also be mindful of the potential for tenant turnover and the need to maintain their properties to attract and retain renters. Despite the challenges posed by affordability and inventory, experts do not foresee a housing market crash in 2025. The lending landscape is significantly different than it was leading up to the 2008 crisis. Stricter lending standards are in place, which has reduced the risk of borrowers defaulting on their mortgages. This, combined with strong economic fundamentals, provides a level of stability that was absent in the past. While a crash is not anticipated, it's essential to stay informed about market conditions and consult with real estate professionals for personalized advice. For buyers entering the 2025 housing market, patience and careful planning are key. The market is expected to be competitive, with demand outpacing supply in many areas. This means that buyers need to be prepared to act quickly when they find a property that meets their needs. However, it's also important not to rush into a decision without thoroughly evaluating all aspects of the purchase. Take the time to research the market trends, understand the local real estate landscape, and get a clear picture of what you can afford. Be prepared for competition, and explore various financing options to secure the best mortgage rates. This might include looking into different types of loans such as fixed-rate versus adjustable-rate mortgages, or considering government-backed loans if you qualify. It's also wise to get pre-approved for a mortgage before you start house hunting, as this can give you a better idea of your budget and make you a more attractive buyer to sellers. Additionally, keep an eye on interest rate trends and be ready to lock in a rate when it seems favorable. Consider expanding your search to include a wider range of neighborhoods or property types that align with your budget and needs. Sometimes, looking just outside your preferred area can reveal hidden gems that offer better value for money. Don't be afraid to explore different types of properties such as townhouses, condos, or fixer-uppers, which might be more affordable and still meet your requirements. Remember, flexibility can be a significant advantage in a competitive market. Remember that buying a home is a long-term investment, and finding the right property for your circumstances is crucial. Think about your future needs and how the property might serve you in the years to come. Will it accommodate a growing family? Is it in a good school district? What about the potential for property value appreciation? These are all important considerations that can impact your decision. Take your time to ensure that the home you choose is one that you will be happy with for many years. Sellers, on the other hand, can leverage the tight market conditions to their advantage. With high demand and limited supply, you may find that your property attracts multiple offers, giving you the opportunity to choose the best one. However, it's still important to price your home competitively to attract serious buyers. Overpricing can lead to your home sitting on the market longer than necessary, which can be a red flag to potential buyers. Pricing your property competitively and showcasing its best features will attract potential buyers. Consider investing in professional staging and high-quality photos to make your home stand out. First impressions are crucial, and a well-presented home can significantly impact a buyer's decision. Make sure your home is clean, decluttered, and any necessary repairs are completed before listing it on the market. Highlight the unique features of your property that set it apart from others. Working with an experienced real estate agent can help you navigate negotiations and secure a successful sale. An agent with a deep understanding of the local market can provide valuable insights and advice, helping you set the right price and develop an effective marketing strategy. They can also handle the complexities of the negotiation process, ensuring that you get the best possible deal. Trusting a professional can make the selling process smoother and more efficient, ultimately leading to a successful transaction. Section 6. Renters' Outlook. What to expect. Renters in 2025 should brace for continued rent increases, albeit at a potentially slower pace than in recent years. The demand for rentals remains strong, driven by factors such as affordability challenges in the home buying market and a growing renter population. Exploring different neighborhoods, considering smaller units, or negotiating lease terms with landlords could be viable strategies to manage rental costs. Staying informed about local market trends and available resources can empower renters to make well-informed decisions. Section 7. The importance of expert guidance. Navigating the complexities of the housing market can be daunting, especially in a dynamic environment like the one anticipated for 2025. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or renter, seeking guidance from experienced real estate professionals is essential. Real estate agents and financial advisors can provide invaluable insights, market expertise, and personalized advice tailored to your specific situation. Their knowledge and experience can help you make informed decisions that align with your financial goals and housing needs. Section 8. Join the real estate conversation. We value your engagement and encourage you to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. What are your biggest concerns or aspirations regarding the 2025 housing market? Let's foster a community of informed individuals who can learn from each other's experiences and perspectives. Your insights contribute to a richer understanding of the evolving real estate landscape. Section 9. Stay informed with our newsletter. Don't miss out on valuable real estate trends and market updates. Subscribe to our newsletter to receive regular insights, analysis, and expert advice delivered straight to your inbox. Stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions about your housing journey. We're here to guide you every step of the way.